How long would it take you to scan over 3,500 different assets in the crypto and stock markets every single day? A long time, probably the whole day. Now, what's nice about chartforecaster.com is this thing auto scans over 3,500 different crypto and stock assets. And really, it's hunting for a few different things: rising wedges, falling wedges, different harmonic patterns, such as this one from CVRX, which I've never heard of. But we have some great insight now as to where the price could potentially be going just at a glance. This is all done before you get up in the morning. Now, what's really cool is that this is done daily. So this is going to refresh once a day. I doubt you'll need more than 1,897 different stocks every day to look at to possibly trade. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes down to stock and crypto assets in today's scans, there were well over 2,500 different patterns that were realized, which is tremendous, right? What's really cool about this, and let's just see if there's any patterns right now. For silver's very hot. Okay, so silver, which I've been making a boatload of money on lately, is really an interesting play. Here we've got a rising wedge. We've got a harmonic pattern that is telling us to look for maybe that $74-ish level down to $71 on silver, SLV. But what's really cool is if we come into the trading calculator, and I'm going to show you guys how accurate the timing arm of Chart Forecaster is. Now, the timing arm is just absolutely incredible. And let me just do a quick explainer here. Each one of these dots are laid out on this chart ahead of time, 9 days in advance, and they're logged in this event's timeline. So it's March 12th. We're currently projecting out to March 22nd. Once Chart Forecaster drops one of these dots on the chart, it stays there. It's hard-coded into the chart. But what's really cool is since about November, maybe 20th, when we first started tracking silver, Chart Forecaster has had almost a 100% accuracy rating when it comes down to predicting when the markets are going to move within like an hour to an hour and a half. So you can see that here it predicted bullish or bearish momentum would start. We had a breakout. When peak momentum would hit, when we'd see reversals or market lows, again, when bullish or bearish momentum would start. And so you guys can see that it even does a great job at catching the tops, because when everybody was buying SLV at $100 to $110, traders on Chart Forecaster knew that, hey, we know about this peak momentum reversal area 9 days in advance. And guess what happened? The time came and the bottom fell out. I made a ton of money off this. And I also made a ton of money off this most recent dump. So we've got some incredible technology that you can put together with the pattern scanner. This is incredible stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy video on chartforecaster.com. But I want to just leave this with you. How much is your time worth? And how much can you get for $9.99 a month out of this thing? I mean, I would pay $200 a month to have something like this in my war chest for trading. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.